Idea 4 years ago, a block in the Brady district for anyone to visit anytime. Now, new on 2, Patricia Santos gives us a tour of the new Guthrie Green and its green features.
This is a place you'll definitely want to see yourself. Crews are putting in the finishing touches here, but in a few days, Guthrie Green will be ready for everyone to enjoy.
It was a vision to bring a green space, a gathering space for the neighborhood. So just to help move the Brady Arts District along.
Stanton Doyle with the George Kaiser Family Foundation walks us through the Brady District's new addition, an $18 million park dedicated to Oklahoma's son, Woody Guthrie. Chris Weiss opened up his cigar shop in the district, hoping business will follow Guthrie Green.
We're anticipating it's going to kind of explode in this area.
And the wait will soon be over.
We can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Walking through the park, visitors will notice an earth-friendly theme.
60 LED lights that are all every other one's color, and so that'll provide lighting for the performances on the stage. These plantings are intended to kind of clean the water before it goes back into the storm sewer.
And what you can't see underneath is just as impressive.
Below the surface of the park is a geothermal well field that provides heating and cooling for the Tulsa Paper Company building and the Visual Arts Center.
Reducing cooling costs for the buildings across the street. A once dirty parking lot is turned into the heart of the district.
It just gives more reason for people to come downtown.
The grand opening includes live performances here. Now they begin early Friday morning. For more information, you can head to KJRH.com. Reporting from downtown Tulsa, Patricia Santos, 2 News works for you.